In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload images to Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a whole batch of product photos at once instead of uploading them one by one. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account, then head to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage everything in your store, from products and orders to customers and settings. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Next, look for the products option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This takes you to a list of all the products you've created in your store. Here, you'll see basic details like titles, prices, and inventory. Find the product you want to add multiple images to. You can scroll through the list, use the search bar at the top, or filter by collection or status if you have a lot of products. Once you've found the right product, click on its name to open the product details page. In this view, you'll see the title, description, pricing, and importantly, the media section where images and videos live. This is where we're going to do the bulk upload. In the media area, look for the plus icon or the prompt to add media and click on it. A small menu will appear. Choose the option that says Add Media. This will open a file picker window from your computer or device. Now, navigate to the folder where you've stored your product images. To upload in bulk, select all the images you want to attach to this product at once. On most computers, you can do this by holding Shift to select a range or Control or Command to select multiple individual files. When you confirm your selection, Shopify will start uploading all of those files, and you'll see them appear in the media section as they finish. Give it a moment if you're uploading large or high-resolution images. When the upload is complete, click on Done in the Upload window. This closes the picker and returns you fully to the product page, with all your new images now listed under Media. You can drag and drop them to reorder if you want a specific image to appear first on your storefront. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the top or bottom of the page. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, your new images won't be kept. Once it's saved, your bulk uploaded images are